For problem statement, we have use of conventional methods. By that, there is less production and there is lack of awareness. The need of fertilizer can be known by our project by NPK sensor, and the pH value can also be determined, and we can set the seed which can be used for specified value of fertilizer, and the scarcity of water can be overcome by this as we are controlling the water, and then fertilizer type can be determined by our project, and yield can be enhanced by all sensor working interface. Now field chamber. Now we are going to find air temperature, then air humidity by DHT sensor. After that, we are going to find this soil humidity, and then we are finding the flow sensor value at this time. The flow sensor is working. Now seed chamber. Seed chamber, we are finding air temperature to 3.5 centigrade, then air humidity. After that, we are finding soil pH by soil pH meter. Then this NPK value, all nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium values, and then water tank value. As we know that the pump was on, and when the pump is on, it gives water to the moisture sensor, and the moisture increases, and after that, when the moisture increases, the number of liters per minute from the flow sensor will be 0. At this time, it is giving water in field chamber. Now for water pH in hydroponic chamber, its value is 6.66 pH. Now the flow sensor value, as I told earlier about the flow sensor, that it turns off when the moisture is up to a specified level. Project demonstration. Water tank, left side is and when the moisture level is was low, it was allowed to run. Then the pump enters, the moisture level increases and the pump stops, so the flow rate reduces. This is fertilizer tank, and this is humidifier for the atmospheric increase of humidity. Now interface working with project demonstration. Current air temperature by DHT sensor. Now 35.7 humidity, soil humidity, and flow sensor. At the flow sensor is 0 liters, and because moisture is high, and when moisture low, and then it on when the moisture is again low. It's a seed chamber temperature, soil pH 6.68, air humidity 57.4, and then we're heading towards the next chamber. The water tank. The water tank have this flow sensor. Again, it's associated with the tank, and this. Again, when the moisture is low, it stops. It's automatic. Just one. Now heading towards hydroponic chamber. The pH value is 7 now. is the pH sensor, and then humidity change checking. We can check the humidity by DHT sensor. This is 55.79, and by increasing the humidity using humidifier, we can see that the change in humidity, current air humidity now will be increased, then it's 57%.